Hello students, it's nice to meet you again. Now we are going to study another scientist called Rutherford. Rutherford made an experiment named Rutherford experiment. In his experiment he used a cube, and inside the cube he put a source of alpha particles, and this is a hole in the cube. Emission of alpha particles from the source, from the radioactive element. This blue line represents the beam of alpha particles, which is targeted towards the foil of gold. He used gold foil, and around the gold foil is a screen of zinc sulfide. Why zinc sulfide is the substance? If alpha particles collide with this zinc sulfide, illumination occurs, which can be used as a detection for the presence of alpha particles. His aim was to find or to discover the structure of the atom. When we targeted the alpha particles towards the gold, he noted three things. Most of the alpha particles passes through the gold foil without any effect. Very small amount of alpha particles are deflected to the right and to the left, but passed but with deflection. And another small part was reflected back. He concluded that when alpha particles passes, if the alpha particles doesn't collide with anything, it passes without any effect, and that happens in most alpha particles, giving illumination on the screen of zinc sulfide. The deflected alpha particles happened because these alpha particles passed close to something positive, so deflection occurred. This part is a positively charged nucleus, so he concluded that inside the atom there is something positive. He named this positive part nucleus, which is heavy and positive. The reflected part of alpha particles happened because alpha particles exactly collide with a heavy part, which is the nucleus. Because it is heavy, reflection back occur. So he concluded that the atom consists of a central atom, positively charged atom, like the sun in the solar system. Around the nucleus, the positive nucleus, there are electrons, like the planets around the sun. So the solar system is the Rutherford's model of the atom. This is a positively charged nucleus, and around the positively charged nucleus there are electrons circling around the nucleus of the atom. This is Rutherford. These are helpers. These two scientists, Geiger and Marsden, helped Rutherford to perform this experiment. So Rutherford introduced his atomic model. The atom consists of a central heavy nucleus in the center of the atom, and around the nucleus there are electrons circling the nucleus. these electrons are negatively charged particles. When the electron circles around the nucleus, it is under two equal and opposite forces: attraction force towards the nucleus, and another centrifugal force which tends to get the electron away from the nucleus. And these two forces are equal in the magnitude and opposite in direction. This is the Rutherford model, and the end of this period. Goodbye.